Hello future CAs. If you're a CA student writing exam in September 25 or Jan 26, this one video could potentially change how you are studying for the remaining time that is available. Let me repeat guys, I'm going to talk about discipline, but I'm not going to give you any lecture regarding discipline. I just have 3 stories that I want to communicate to you guys. First, gym sir. I can pay 25,000 rupees for an annual gym subscription. Nothing is going to change. When will things change for me, sir? Only if you go to the gym for 12 months consistently, and you should also follow the diet that they give. Just by going and doing workouts and eating biryani, nothing is going to happen. Paying subscription for gym is easy. What is difficult is showing up every day to gym. I can tell you guys, I have paid but I have not gone to gym regularly. That's one place where I actually lack discipline and consistency. I'm just being open about it guys. Second, cooking sir. I'm just giving you examples you can connect with. Okay, cooking. If you want to become an expert in cooking, sir, I want to cook in Star Hotel, I want to be a chef. Day one, the biryani you do is not going to be amazing. The first time you do biryani, your family will eat and tell, okay, ஏதோ பண்ணிருக்காம்பா நல்லா இருக்குப்பா biryani or pulao, whatever he did something. But if you keep cooking the same dish again and again, look at your parents, no? When your mom, when she's making any food in the house, she won't even take measurements. She will just keep everything ready and she'll just on the stove. She'll be doing 100 other works, and she will correctly turn off the stove without even looking at the clock, and the food will be perfect on 99% of the days. That means she's having the discipline of doing the same thing again and again. They have become an expert in that. Now, CA is not difficult. What is difficult in CA is having that discipline. Now, let me actually come to the point, guys. Coming to studying, whether you're a CA foundation or inter student, I don't think there is any topic which is blowing away your mind. Can you just comment and let me know, sir? Sir, these topics, even if I study 100 times, I'm not able to understand. For example, in accounts, you can take AS 15. If you actually spend 10 hours seriously for that topic, you will become expert in that. Correct? So, in study also, how do I get discipline, sir? Sir, you're going to talk about test series. If I knew test series in the starting itself, I would have skipped this video. No, sir. Why are you doing promotion? No. I want you to watch the video. I'm not asking you to subscribe to any test series. Of course, I will do that in the ending, guys. But I want you to communicate a simple message. Simple. If you're writing exam in September 25 or Jan 25, you are currently here. For September exams, you have 3 to 4 months left. Of course, September exams will now not be in the starting of September. It will be towards the mid-September because of exam delay in May. And Jan will have about 7 to 8 months left from now, guys. In this time, if you are someone who can study every day for 10 hours without anybody distracting you, or if they're distracting you, you can manage it, then you can exit this video. The next 3 to 4 months or 7 to 8 months is going to be in your hand. You can easily take over, guys. I am only talking about those students who are studying from home, need some kind of a push, in this period, and that is where I'm talking about test series. Sir, how this test series will give discipline, sir? Very simple. In school days, whether you like it or not, you used to have periodically unit test 1, unit test 2, unit test 3, quarterly, half yearly, pre-board, mock exam, and then finally annual exams. In CA, in this 3 to 4 months, you will be studying. In this 7 to 8 months, you will be studying. And finally, when you go to the respective exams, that is going to be your first set of practice, and you are not ready for the exam because you may make mistake in 3 things. You may make mistake in S, speed. You may make mistake in P, presentation, or you may make a mistake in A, which is accuracy, guys. To correct these 3, SPA as how I call it, speed, presentation, and accuracy, that's where test series help. You can take up any test series. I'm not saying take test series with me only, guys. No, in test series, nobody makes a lot of money. Okay, I want you to take test series, anything of your choice. In India, there are 100 options. Now I'm going to talk to you about the option that we have over here. In Dheera test, you can take subject wise or you can take group wise for foundation or inter. For you will be having for inter 7 tests per subject. Let me show you how this works. I will also show you the syllabus breakup. You can write these 7 tests whenever you are ready. In the next 3 to 4 months if it's September, next to 7 to 8 months if it's Jan. The first 4 test is going to be 25% syllabus test. That means in the first 4 tests, it's like quarterly exams. 4 times you will write and full syllabus will get over. Next 2 tests, test 5 and 6 will be like half yearly exams, 50% syllabus. And the last is the 100% mock test. That means if you can complete these 3 tests, not after completing studying, along with your preparation, then you will be done with 3 revisions along with your study. Sir, how this is going to work, sir? Let me show you a sample example over here. Dheera test for September 25. If you take the schedule, if I just take for advanced accounting, the first 4 tests you can see here, guys. The first 4 tests is available over here, which has those topics, which is each for 50 marks, equally broken down into 25% syllabus. Test 5 and 6 is 50% syllabus and test 7 is full mock as per ICAI pattern. Now these 7 tests you can write whenever you want. Not necessary you have to start with first test. You can, if you are done with all the syllabus in test 2, so internal reconstruction is done, all those ASI finished, then you write test 2. It is unscheduled, you can write them whenever you want. Sir, how do I get them? You just have to go to dheeratest.com. Here you can find exam resource for September 25 for both foundation and inter. For example, if I go for group bridge over here, it's all unscheduled, guys. You can take one group, both groups, or you can also take individual subject over here. You can take any 2 subjects of your choice. Once you purchase, you will get a dashboard where all the 7 test question papers will be there once you log in. You just have to take the question paper, write in your house, upload the PDF, wait for 4 to 5 working days. Team will correct and give you feedback. We also have a policy in Dheera test where we add you in a WhatsApp group where if you are not happy with the evaluation, etc., you can let me know in the group itself. The team will reevaluate your paper, guys. So simple. I am telling you now itself. Not everybody who takes the test will actually, I don't want this 1500, guys. It's not about the money. What I have seen is, if 100 students actually subscribe, only 20 to 30 students write all those 7 tests. And it's only those 20 to 30 students who actually write those 7 tests have an external push and they have a discipline, guys. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. If you have your own self-discipline, good. No need any test series, you write by yourself. But if you need that little extra push, you can come to us because we will take care of these 7 tests. Also give you schedule if you need schedule, and we will also have monthly calls where you will have mentoring and all of that. That's about it, guys. So any doubts you have, let me know in the comments. Happy to help you all.